when I meet my friends and I see them working on their goals and achieving the results they want, and when I ask them what is their why, they don't have any answer, and they don't have their why clear in their head. And I want to talk to this about to you. Having your why clear in your head makes you feel more confident towards your goal that you want to achieve, and you should have your why clear as a man if you want to achieve your goal. So in this video I will talk to you what is why and why is it so important when it comes to achieving your goals. The why is the reason you want to achieve your goal, and your why is the output that you will get when you finally achieved your goal. Let me make this very clear. Let's say you study hard for exams. Now what is your why? You study hard for exam maybe because you wanna get good grades, you wanna top in class, anything. So that's your why. And let's say that you have started a business. What's your why? Grow your business and make money. That's your why. So when it comes to self-improvement, you have many goals as a young man, and you should have your why written on the paper very clearly in front of you. And whenever you go to work, you look at that paper sheet and you remember your why and what is your why. When you thought that I want to achieve this goal, you must have a clear thought in your mind that why you want to achieve this goal, why your mind wants this thing to achieve, and how can this goal can change your life once you achieve it. So I will make this very clear. I have my why very clear in my head and I have written it on the paper sheet. My why is to become a millionaire before in my 20s, before 25 years old. And I want you to have your why clear in your paper sheet as well as me, because it gives you motivation to stay consistent and work hard even when you don't feel like it. What can be your why? Your why can be anything that you want, that you always wanted. It can be to look great, it can be to retire your parents, it can be to change your life no matter what. It depends on you. For me, my why was to become a millionaire before 25 years old, and I work towards it every day. And whenever I don't feel like working on the goals I have or the making videos I am currently making, I just thought about my why. I just think about my why. I look at the paper sheet, I have my why written. And whenever I see someone who wants to achieve something, who has a clear goal in his mind, and when I ask his why, he has no answer. He has no answer. Why? Because he has never written his why very clear on the paper. Now I have a question. How can you achieve something even when you don't have a correct reason to achieve it or a solid reason to achieve it? Let's say you want to earn money. You should have clear in your mind why you want to earn money and how can it change your life. Only then you will be able to make progress towards your goal and actually make some money. So why I started my YouTube channel? I wanted to become a YouTuber and improve my conversation skills in English. That's my why for starting my YouTube channel. It can be anything for you according to your goal. But one thing I wanna say for sure is that you should have a clear why in your mind when it comes to achieve something that you always wanted to achieve. Let's say you want to become an athlete. Now, before making progress and starting to working hard towards a goal, you should have clear in your mind why you want to become an athlete and how can it change your life once you achieve it. You have to imagine yourself as an athlete every day, every time you wake up. You have to say to yourself that I am an athlete, I have already achieved my goal. You should not say that how can you become an athlete? I haven't become an athlete yet. I have been working towards it for years, for months, but I haven't achieved my goal yet. I know it takes time, but one day you will finally achieve it if you work towards it. And you have to keep yourself motivated and remind your mind of the why you have for your goal. And that's the only thing I wanna say, that if you want to achieve something, you should have your why very clear in your mind, and you should look at your why and keep your mind reminding of your why every time you want to quit or change, because you can't. If you once stop doing that, just think of the why you have written in your mind. It's very powerful when it comes to the mentality. Having your why clear in your mind is the only thing that keeps me motivated, and whenever I don't feel like it, I just remind my mind of my why, and I somehow get the energy to work towards it. Now I know I have to make it very, very more clear to you, and I obviously will. Let me share a story with you. One day I was sleeping and I didn't want to wake up early in the morning. I was sleeping, I was lazy, I was tired. And when the alarm rang off, I was still sleeping. But anyhow, my mind reminded me of my why, and I woke up in 2 minutes. My mind said, remember your 15-year-old self when you thought about achieving your goal, when you set your goal. Imagine if you sleep today, someone else will achieve your goal and he will be one step further from you and you're still sleeping. That scared me and I woke up. That was my why, and my mind reminded me of my why, and I woke up. I want you to practice your mind to remind you of your why frequently, and especially when you don't want to work hard. First of all, how to find your why. If you have your goal, then think of what will you regret if you didn't achieve your goal in the future. Just think of it. What will you miss if you don't achieve your goal in your future? how will your future self will look at you if you didn't achieve your goal today or in the near future? And then I want you to think of the benefits and the outcomes once you achieve your goal. It can be anything. If you want to build a greater physique from your past and your older past self, just think of the benefits you will get from achieving that physique, and how will your future self will get benefit from this. This will give you your why, and your why is the fuel you want to keep pushing towards your goal. No matter what, if you just remember your why for a while and remind your mind of your why, you won't have the will to avoid your work and do bad habits. So no matter what you want to achieve in your life, if you have a clear why written on the paper, you will achieve it for sure. And I'm giving you my words because because it is a very powerful mental technique which forces your mind to work toward the work, which forces your mind to work toward your goals and finally achieve your goals in the future. And I'm not talking about to just keep writing your why on the paper and doing nothing towards your goal and just wondering in the imagination what will happen that once you achieve your goal, once you achieve your goals and you get the money, you get the physique, you get the everything from life you ever wanted. No, I'm not talking about this. I'm just talking about the why is why important to achieve your goal. The reason you want to achieve your goal is the little fuel you want and you need to work towards your goal consistently. And once you have a clear why in your mind, always you will obviously achieve your goal and you will live the life you always wanted and your why was. So today I want you to know your why and recruit it in your daily routine so that you can achieve your goals.